Thutha wa kwaga mweke wa gutetera nguga yake ya thahabu mbitika-ini cia Olympics mwaka muhituku ihenya-ini ria mita 3,000, Brazil Conseslus Kipruto niacokereirie kiaaro na ni thutha wa kurikia gutumikira ihera.
I was given a chance to run a final nationals, so I didn't run a semi-final, but actually I requested to be given a chance to run, to set my mind to finish the race. That was my important. And then another thing, it was to show the people that I'm back. It's good for me to be back in track. So actually having I'm not in good shape at the moment.
Kipruto uria na ukuru wa miaka 27 augite ni acokereirie ari wothe na riu akimurika mbitika cia World Championships iria cikahanika mwena wa Oregon na iria cikahanika mweri wa 7.
By June, July, August, I know and I'm 100% sure I'll be in good shape to defend my title when it's coming to World Championship in Oregon. I'm very sure about that. It's only that today.
Kipruto ugite thengia wa kwaga mahenya-ini ma bata ekwambiriria na mbitika cia Kipkeino Classics na iria citanyitwo kuhanika tariki 7 mweri twerekeire wa gatano.
I can say it's very difficult as an athlete to try to bring that mood for competition and to bring that mentality to race in any competition after staying long time. Because actually it was 2019 I won my World Championship. And since that year, haven't raced to compete or to run a good time.
Gukiri uguo muteng'eri uyu augite ni hariirie gucokia riri wa Kenya ihenya-ini ria kuruga migiko na mai mita 3,000, akiuga ati no amurikite mbitika cia Olympics mwaka wa 2024.
It was painful to me because I wasn't there to defend my title and actually to fight for our country. Because we always say this event is ours, but actually last year we lost in Tokyo. It was difficult and it was painful for me. That's another thing makes me to come back, and that's another thing motivating me to come train hard.